Centralized and decentralized technologies are two different approaches to organizing and managing systems, networks, and data. Here are some key differences between these technologies. Centralized technology. Centralized technology refers to systems that rely on a single point of control or authority. In a centralized system, all data, resources, and decision making power are concentrated in one location or entity. Examples of centralized technology include traditional client-server networks, where a central server manages and controls access to data and resources. Mainframe computers, where all processing and data storage occur in a single location. Some of the key advantages of centralized technology are clear chain of command, inexpensive setup, and easier to secure. Centralized technology has some disadvantages like single point of failure, lack of transparency, and limited scalability. Decentralized technology. Decentralized technology refers to systems that distribute control and decision making power across multiple nodes and entities. In a decentralized system, each node has its own copy of the data and resources, and decisions are made through a consensus mechanism. Examples of decentralized technology include peer-to-peer networks, where all nodes have equal access to data and resources. Blockchain networks, where all nodes have a copy of the ledger and participate in verifying transactions. Advantages of decentralized technology include increased transparency, greater security, and improved scalability. It has some disadvantages like difficulty in achieving global big tasks, lack of standardization, and bandwidth limitations. In conclusion, both centralized and decentralized technologies have their own advantages and disadvantages, and the choice between the two depends on the specific needs and goals of the organization or system in question. While centralized technology can be more efficient and easier to secure, decentralized technology can offer greater transparency, security, and scalability.